You're watching TV 20 News 530 Live with Paige Beck and David Snyder. This is TV 20 News in high definition.
Welcome back. Well, the year that the Florida Gators won national titles in football and basketball, another Florida team won a world title. A team of engineers designed, built, and operated an autonomous underwater vehicle that beat submarines from universities around the globe. Every year, the University of Florida engineers work to improve the submarine called the SubjuGator. David finds out why. The goal is to create engineers, not just submarine designers, in tonight's Technology Spotlight.
Here with us tonight, Paige, is Dr. Eric Schwartz. He's the Associate Director of the Machine Intelligence Lab at the University of Florida. We also have Patrick Walters. He's a team leader. What is the SubjuGator capable of doing?
Well, the SubjuGator is designed as a research platform. We do competitions with them, but they can also rescue people. They could, if there's an oil leak, they can go down and find where the leaks are. They're not going to repair the leaks, not this one, but it can find that. It can do investigation of pollutants in bodies of water. It can do a lot of things. It can explore harbors.
Tell me what's expected from the sub during competitions that you talked about. I guess the next one's in July next year.
Yeah, in July. Well, we have several tasks to do. We call them missions. There are visual tasks. We have obstacles we have to run into. There are things we have to grab. There are other things we have to pick up. There are sound clues also. We hear a sound, we have to go right to it, and it could be 100 meters away. So we have a host of sensors. We have 2 cameras. We have 8 thrusters on this submarine.
Nice.
We have compass. We have accelerometers, all sorts of sensors, probably 15 different types of sensors, and 8 actuators here, plus 5 others that you don't see.
Now, you've brought actually 3 different generations of the SubjuGator. Can you tell me what we have here? This, of course, as you've indicated, is the most recent. What else do we have?
Well, this is SubjuGator 7, the most recent. This is 6, won 1 world championship. And this is SubjuGator 5. It won actually 2 world championships. One thing is it's light, and size matters. In this case, it weighed 32 pounds, and the next best team was about 75 pounds.
Patrick, tell me what it's like to participate in this program. What are you learning, and what are you hoping to get out of it?
So there's a big disconnect between the classroom, which you learn in the books, and what it takes to actually build a system, and this project helps bridge that gap. And it makes so you can go out into the world and get a job, and you can contribute right on the first day of your job instead of having to get more on-the-job training.
What is your ultimate goal, career-wise? Are you going to build subs?
I probably will. I have opportunities to work with the Navy to build subs with them when I graduate.
And you've been telling me that with the program, Dr. Schwartz, that these engineers who leave, they're getting jobs that students in other universities aren't going to get right away, or at least opportunities. Can you tell us about that?
Well, again, as Patrick said, these students have done real engineering. So when there's interviews, every place that they interview with, they get offers. And so you get the job you want when you do real engineering while you're a student.
And can this have any kind of civilian use outside of the university?
Yeah, one of the things that it can do, it can rescue divers. We have people that die in caving accidents all the time. Right. You can get a little one like this and be a little diving buddy. You can be in the harbors just making sure that all the things are okay. You can explore the hulls, make sure the hulls of the ships don't have any damage. There's a lot of applications, especially in Florida, where there's water everywhere.
All right. Well, we're out of time, basically, but are there going to be many changes between now and July with SubjuGator 7?
It probably won't look too different on the outside, but on the inside, there's going to be a lot of change, mostly software changes, but some electrical changes too, and a few little grabbers and some small changes. But this is such a great sub, it'll probably be the mechanical design for the next couple of years.
Real nice. Okay, thank you so much for taking the time, Dr. Eric Schwartz and Patrick Walters with the Machine Intelligence Lab. If you have an idea for a future Technology Spotlight interview, there's my email address. Go ahead and send me a note, dsnyder@wcjb.com, and we'll try to get that interview on.